सलाम वालेकुम यूसुफ। आप यहाँ अपने हाई कमीशन से फुर्सत मिल गई आपको?
इनके यहाँ से फोन आया था, तुम यहाँ पर हो।
गो ऑन व्हाट?
मैं अभी तक तुम्हारे रिकॉर्ड्स में इमरजेंसी कॉन्टैक्ट हूँ।
My. The Indian High Commissioner to New York called specially for me? Oh. They shouldn't have.
ये क्या हुआ? ये कैसे लगी ये? कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ तुमसे।
You know what, Yusuf? You're gonna have to find someone else to hang up the decorations that your annual Diwali do this year. Besides, there's gonna be no entertainment because I'm here. And lastly, if you've come to give me some divine intervention, which you normally do, I think you should leave. You know, the door's right there. Bye.
I know the door is here. I know. क्यों फोन किया था इन्होंने मुझे? किस लिए?
You know what? I'll have them update the medical records, okay? So you don't need to get bothered again in your life. And I'm really sorry about this mix-up that's occurred right now. I think it's better if you just doodles.
इन्होंने कहा था कुछ कपड़े चाहिए तुम्हें, तो इसमें कुछ कपड़े हैं तुम्हारे लिए, और तुम्हारी वो इसमें शर्ट भी है, वो ब्लू वाली।
Blue? I like blue. I really like blue. You know that, huh? Ah.
मैं वो जूते लेकर नहीं आया, मुझे लगा तुम्हें फिट नहीं बैठेंगे तो।
Yes, I mean, I guess the shoes wouldn't fit. So tell me, Yusuf, how's the straight way and all going?
क्या हुआ ये? बताओगे कुछ या?
They didn't tell you that when you came inside. You know how it is in the wild and the woolly west side, right? You know, I'm just moozing along down the street, minding my own business, when some cowboys, they slide up alongside me, bitching. They were hurting my pride. So, me being me, I mean, you know how I am. I've got to teach him a lesson. So even I went.
Hey, Matt, are you okay? Hey, are you all right? Stay there. Slow. Are you okay?
It's a shot, man. It's the shortest.
Should I call the nurse? Do you need water or something?
Just give me a minute. I'll be fine. Just.
Yeah. What?
You know how fucking ridiculous you look at that get-up, man.
Yeah, well, you'd better take some rest. I'll call the nurse.
I'm fine, Yusuf. I'm fine. Just relax. Okay, take it easy. Ooh, it's this the shot. Yeah, it's some crazy shot. You know what? You should try some of this shit, Yusuf. It'll loosen you right the fuck up.
Yeah. Look, is there someone I can call for you? A friend or
Friend. I mean, are you trying to be funny now? Is that your joke? Or I mean, are you trying to be, what? Is that your euphemism?
see, Matt? Let's not do this, okay?
No. Let's. As in, we used to be friends, right? But now you've got a new friend. And come to think of it, you've got God too, right? Allah. Right? So now we're not friends anymore. How very fucking hypocritical of you, Yusuf.
Should I call you folks?
No. Thank
No,
you.
Matt, you can't be alone, you know. They're gonna call me again and you need someone with you.
You know what? You got me the shirt and the jeans. Thank you very much. I think that's enough. Now you can leave.
You could have come to our place, but we've been, well, you know, last few days, the things are like,
You don't need to worry about me, sweetheart. I'm sure you've got better things to do. I mean, look at that. It's Diwali today, right? So you've got what? You've got mithai boxes to give away. You've got Diwali cards to give away to everyone, and your sermons, to give away for the big day. And I mean, I don't think you'd want to get Shia's tits in an uproar now, right? Yeah, whatever, man.
yeah, she's not like that.
Then she's a better man than I am, friend.
Damn it! I didn't mean that. Okay? Look, no matter what happened between us, we still care. I mean, Shazia and I, we still care. You can come to our place, it will be fine. I was just concerned, well, Shazia's been little.
Done? Finished? You completed what you had to say? Now can you call the nurse, please? I need to call a cab and go home.
I'm going to be a father, Matt.
Father. Well. Dreams do come true, huh, Yusuf? You're gonna be a father. Well.
And Matt, Shazia would want us to be there for you. In spite of everything.
Look here, Yusuf. Yusuf, look here. In spite of everything, tell me. Everything. Everything we've been through.
I'll help you.
I can get out of my clothes just fine, thank you very much.
Okay, I'll just step out until you change your clothes.
Relax, man. I got my shorts on, yaar. You're safe. I ain't gonna hump you, dude.
Sweet Jesus.
Sweet Jesus had nothing to do with this, Yusuf. Nothing. I mean, at least I hope he didn't.
Why would someone? Matt? क्या किया तुमने इस बार? हर बार तुम क्या किया इस बार? Tell me. What did you get yourself into now?
A man's got to do what a man's gotta do. Who said that? You said that, right, Yusuf? You said that. You wanted me to be a man? Oh, you were proud of, oh, manly me, I went right.
Matt, you just stay there, please. Sit. You stay there. Why are you getting up? Stay there. Matt. Are you...
You want me to be a man, Yusuf, right? You want me to be a man, right? That's what you wanted. Now you know what I want? For you to get the fuck out! Now! What happened? You didn't hear me the first time? I said, fucking leave. Go.
Matt, I don't believe that. The nurse said that they think you.
Please go home.
It's-
Shazia's
it's-
waiting.
it's
Please
not true,
go.
right?
Please go home.
Tell me. The nurse said,
Please go home, Yusuf, please.
were you raped? No?
I had a rough date, okay, Yusuf? A rough fucking date. That's what I had. So you know what? You don't need to worry about this shirt of yours and these jeans. I'll buy you a nice new pair of both, okay?
Matt, how? I'm sorry, I mean, why? What?
Why? Why? Yusuf, why? Why?
I mean, why you? Where were you? What were you doing there?
Doing? What was I doing? You know what? I was walking down the street, butt fucking naked, with a big sign in my hand that said, "Let's all spread the joy of the season and let's go and fuck a fag!" Is that what you wanted to hear? Or does that make you happy?
No. I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. Matt, I didn't mean that. Seriously,
Don't touch me. Don't touch me, Yusuf.
Okay, I'm not touching you. Do you know him? Do you know him?
The fuck are you asking me? Did I know him? You know what I did? We skipped all fucking introductions, yeah? And we just got down straight down to fucking business.
Matt, how? You are always so careful. Did he have a gun? Did he have a gun? There was only one, right? Jesus. Matt, how many? How many, Matt? Matt, tell me. Matt, tell me.
Dude, it could have been a whole fucking rodeo for all I know, Yusuf. Okay. Listen, you know what? This shot's getting me fuzzy on the details. I don't realize it. Please stop asking me.
All right. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, just tell me, did you recognize any of them? Matt?
You know what? All you straight people all look alike to me.
Let's not do this. All right? Don't do this. Okay. First, we need to call the police. All right? You're gonna tell everything, every single detail.
You want to call the police, right?
Yeah?
So you know what? While we're at it, let's go call all the fucking cops from the neighborhood for a couple of donuts and a few laughs so that they can fucking laugh at both of us.
I'll go with you. They listen to me.
You'll go with me?
Yeah, they listen to me.
You'll go with me?
Yeah.
Who the fuck are you? Who are you? Tell me that.
Who am I?
Yeah, who are you? You know, my great date, had signs over a big yellow truck which said, "I support the NRA, Philip Morris, and the local fucking police." Oh yeah, come to think of it, they probably support God too. You Allah, your Bhagwan, your God, they probably support him too, right? You know what, our world is just a little too small here, Yusuf.
The world is not as small as you make it.
Well, aren't you glad that you made the big switch before you to experience its finite in first hand?
Just shut up! Matt. Just listen to me once. Please. Let's not do this, okay? Please.
You want me to listen to you? You want me to listen to you? I've been listening to fucking hacks like you my entire fucking life. You know what? I did not shift halfway across the world to fucking New York. To fucking New York to deal with the same bigotry and bullshit that I dealt with back home in India. But you know what? Where being straight is the right way. Right? Anything else? And you have a mental fucking disease. A mental disease, right, Yusuf? You think I have a mental disease, right?
No.
No, tell me. You think I'm sick?
No.
Say it, Yusuf. You think I'm sick. So you know what? Take your do-gooding sanctimonious self. Go back to sweet old Shazia. Continue fucking her, raise Khan Jr. But leave me in fucking peace.
Matt, listen. I just want to help you.
You just wanna fucking pray, Yusuf. You just wanna pray.
Matt,
You
sit down.
wanna see me humbled before the lily white altar of your almighty Allah, right? Your almighty Allah. You know what? Begging for his forgiveness.
Matt,
No,
stay
not
there.
to forget
Sit there.
his almighty forgiveness, right? And in spite of everything,
Matt, stay there.
you want me
please.
to be forgiven.
No, please stay there.
Right?
Matt.
And you want me to be filled with the holy fucking
Matt, sit down. Please.
spirit
You fall down again. Matt,
of
please.
what?
What are you doing?
Testosterone.
Matt,
Upon which then
Matt, stay there.
I will have to give up my evil old swaggering
Matt.
ways. Move over to the choir, say hallelujah. Grab myself a buxom blonde soprano, hopefully a female and still a virgin.
Matt,
And fill
stay
her
there.
with what? Fill her with my hitherto
No,
errant
Matt.
seed
Matt,
and
please.
commence begetting. Right? Then, and only
Matt,
then,
Matt,
ladies and gentlemen,
stay there.
will I be a real man. I'll be a manly man. Just like this hypocritical, wondrous phenomenal of the 30s, my very dear friend, Yusuf. Glory.
Matt.
Hallelujah. Enjoy it.
Fuck you! Fuck. Why is that? Every time I get within 10 feet of you, I start swearing. Oh my god.
Because I make you feel like a real man. You know, I do believe it's my true calling in life, yeah. I honestly believe it's my true calling in life. Yusuf? Yusuf, they hurt me. They wouldn't stop.
It's alright. You'll be fine, alright? You'll be okay.
It's my fault. I shouldn't have opened my big mouth,
Dad,
yaar.
listen. See, something like this isn't your fault.
No, but It is. I'm telling you, it's my fault.
No,
I
no, no.
shouldn't have shown.
Matt,
I just.
No, no, no. See, you didn't know that, right? It's not your fault. And you are spontaneous, you know that. It will be fine. Look at me, Matt. We'll get through this, okay? Okay? Just tell me one thing. What can I do for you? Tell me.
Nothing. Nothing. Just be there for me always, please. I mean, I just want you to talk to me and just share stuff with me, okay? Just want you to be there for me.
See, I don't know about future, but right now I'm with you, okay? I am with you. That's why I came here for you, right? Just tell me one thing. Why these boxers? This colorful. Looking so funny.
Firstly,
Yeah.
they're shorts.
Oh, they're short. Oh, yeah. They're shorts.
Not
Okay.
to
Okay,
forget
shorts.
that.
Yeah, shorts. Why these shorts?
Secondly, I know you hate colorful shorts.
My God, we fought so much. Did we always fight like this? Huh?
More or less.
No. No.
More or less. I think maybe less, but
Okay.
actually.
Did I always lose?
You?
Yeah.
You! Fucking, you never stood a chance, dude.
It will turn out okay? Look at me. You'll see. Life can turn out okay. It's not easy. I mean, things are turning out for me now. I wasn't sure they ever would, but
Okay.
see, it used to be that I was always yearning for something I mean, after I left the world, I had always known it was like I was only half alive, only half a person, always hungry deep down inside. No matter how good things were between us, there was always that hunger. Like, I was always on the outside, looking back at my old world or something. I just wanted. So, one day it came to me. Maybe a person can't have everything, but he can have a choice in his life, about his life, whatever. And I had to really think about things. You know that, right? About my career, my family, my beliefs, my choices, and damn it, I needed the world I knew best. That's it. And I
You couldn't choose love, no? You couldn't choose love.
chose a different kind of love.
Yusuf, look here. Are you happy now? Are you really happy now?
It's a boy, Matt. I'm having a son.
Can you call the nurse now? I think she wants her torture chamber back.
Should I ask you a question? You ever been happy? Really happy?
Yusuf, I was happy. I really was. But then you made a choice.
Yeah. I'll just let me give Shazi a call. Okay, I'll just.
Yusuf, don't bother. Listen, just call me a cab, okay? I just want to go home. Listen, and you know from what I hear that you know continuing the race of the entire race of mankind is a very hard task on the ladies. I'm sure she needs a rest. Why would you want to disturb her? Don't you think? So just call the nurse. I'll be fine, and I'll also go home. Yeah, if you don't mind.
Okay, I'll go. Bye. Bye.
Yusuf, hold on. Just wish Shazia from me, okay? Just tell her congratulations from the baby, okay? Yeah? You know, I've always wanted you all to be happy, and that's it, nothing else. Just be happy for me, okay, always? Take care, Yusuf. Yusuf, hold on.
You need something?
Just remember that I'll always. Just know. Please, okay, just remember that I'll always.
I know. I will always. Me too.